Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about top 7 most beautiful snakes in the world. With over 3,700 species on snakes and diverse environment all over the world, it's come as no surprise and they come stunning beautiful colors and patterns. Some snakes develop vibrant of colors, a blend of rainforest or forest floor, while others have bright color patterns as warning of possible predators. In capacity, breeds harness and power of the genetics of create unique of rare color, various of entry of private collectors. Whether you love them, fear them, take a look 7 most beautiful snakes in the world, a marvel at wonder of diversity of reptiles. Number 1. Boelen's Python. The Boelen's python, also known as the Boeleni python, is the rare and gorgeous non-venomous python that's found in the mountains of New Guinea. The snakes are black hints and purple or blue, white and flare yellow. Underside that extend up to side of the body. The mouth is patterned with similar pale or white labial scales. What makes it snakes of striking, however, its iridescent of the chain of scales that resemble of the oil seal. Boelen's pythons are coveted species private collectors, leading to many wild catch species and pet trade. These pythons are also difficult breed capacity. Furthering this stability, these factors many Boelen's pythons one of the most expensive snakes of purchase. Number 2. Emerald Tree Boa. The emerald tree boa is an abroad of boa and live in the rainforest of South America, while emerald boas are known of their straight green coloration. With white zigzag or lightning bolt, strips of the white or yellow belly. Thought non-venomous, the emerald tree boa are large front teeth resemble viper fangs. Emerald tree boas are one of the many snakes that are thought of autogenetic of color change, neotres of the jewels of the orange or red, but gradually of their adult green around 9-12 months of age. One of the subspecies of emerald tree boa is Coreus of the basis, which they found of Amazon River basin. This version of the large mouth decrease of the northern Coreus canals make valuable of private collectors. Different localities of the unique makings, such as white dorsal of triple and darkness of the lightning colors. As a result, many different emerald tree boas located of the popular the pet trade and the breeders. Number 3. Green Tree Python. The green tree python is an abroad python that native to the rainforest of New Guinea, some part of Indonesia, and the Cape York Peninsula in Australia. Often confused with the emerald tree boa, the green tree python is vibrant of the color with a white or yellow belly and rest of saddle portion of the branches Some individuals have white, blue or yellow dorsal markers. Thought and advanced high-maintenance species, the green tree python is highly sought in the pet trade. Many illegally catched in the specimens of the summerville into pet trade into dorsal poorly in captivity. The capacitive breed and the brown pythons thrive under the right conditions. Pythons form different locators, often valuable in counts such as blue or makers and leading to the diversity in capacity breeding programs. Number 4. Blood python. Also known as the Bertimus of the short-tailed pythons or the red short-tailed python. The blood pythons are stout and the boiled pythons and that's native in the Malay Peninsula in the Sumatra. Blood pythons have a rich diverse colors patterns that thus consist of a breed of the orange, reddish and the maroon make green. Thought of the many have brown, yellow or black spots spread. The belly white with small black marking in the head of usually grey. Wild ball pythons are often hunted for their skin, which turned into leather. Ball pythons are also popular into the pet trade, despite an unpredictable of the aggressive temperament. Wild catch of wild breed snakes more aggressive, more different and kept in captivity. But captivity of the breed on born snakes are hider of the more docile. As more bloodlines entered captivity of the breeding programs, breedings discovered new patterns and correlation of the popular among private collectors. Number 5. Brazilian Rainbow Boa. The Brazilian Rainbow Boa is the semi-arboreal boa native to Central and South America. The boa is named for the incident of the sheen of scale, which created prism of the statue of a rainbow pattern under light. Otherwise, the snakes of brown reddish brown with speck of green and black rings on the body. Several rainbow boa species of the reconcile including the Spectrosanto, the central highline of the Maranhão Islands. Due to their beauty and magnificent size, and the Brazilian Rainbow Boa is an popular capacity of snake species. They require specific husbandry of the and don't of suffer beginners well, but they're few of the intermediate of advanced keepers, as juvenile Brazilian Rainbow Boas and nipply of the shade of us usually settle with regular handling. Number 6. Eyelash Viper. The eyelash viper is a venomous abroval pit viper native to Central and South America. In addition, the range of vibrant of colors. The pit viper features especially of the scale of eye and embroidered eyelash. These eyelashes are designed of help camouflage and however not beauty. The eyelash viper occurs of the discover of colors, including pink, green, brown, red, and yellow. Despite its potentially deadly hemorrhagic and the necrotic venom, the eyelash viper are readily available and the pet trade and commonly of kept in the zoos. Plenty of breeders breed captive of the bond snakes create and the pattern and colors so wild catch in individuals are commonly and found on the market. Number 7. Gaboon Viper. The Gaboon Viper is stout of bodied of the viper native in the rainforest and savannas of sub-Saharan Africa. Its addition being largest viper of the Bits Georges and Gaboon Viper's longest fang and the venomous snake, measuring of the 2 inches and the second height venomous put in the any snake. Gaboon Viper have attractive of the triangular of the head and sticking of pattern consisting of pale rectangle sandals, yellow edge and hourglass makers, and brown train and rectangle shapes. Thought the pattern of cynotoxic of the venom and high output of boss trait of the humans. The Gaboon's viper generally decoy of the attraction of area. Due to their beauty, Gaboon's viper commonly kept an advanced hobby